Hi, and welcome to my quick tip for today. I work with acrylic at times, and what I find with acrylic is it dries out, and those of you working with acrylic probably run into this problem. And what I really love is the particular palette I use, which is a Masterson Sta-Wet Palette. What I do is soak, per their instructions, this handy dandy sponge bottom, and I soak some specially treated paper that comes with the palette. It's a Masterson Sta-Wet Premier palette. This is the paper that comes with it. And let's get this sponge in here. Here's another extra sponge I have, and it looks pretty gross, but it cleans up nicely. The Masterson palette can also be used for oil, and I've got a different setup for that. But it helps keep my paints very moist when I'm working with acrylic. If you get it, just follow the instructions and it'll work well for you. That's all for today. Have a great creative journey and keep practicing.